Welcome to MasterBUILT Hotels Introduction to Safety. In this video, we'll introduce you to some of the safety practices employed by MasterBUILT Hotels and highlight some of the most important processes and procedures new and existing team members need to know in order to keep safety top of mind. At MasterBUILT Hotels, health and safety is a priority. This is evident in the training that we do and our commitment to keeping workers safe by informing them of the safety regulations on job sites. Health and safety is more than just knowing what equipment you are supposed to use while working, not lifting more than you are able to, or being trained in first aid. It's about making safety part of your day and sharing the information with others. It's about awareness and taking preventative action. It's about being healthy and making good choices. During your time with MasterBUILT Hotels, you will be introduced to our safety motto, which states that production is number one unless quality is compromised. Then quality becomes number one unless safety is compromised. Then safety becomes number one. While MasterBUILT Hotels takes all measures to reduce hazards in the workplace, the nature of our business makes it impossible to eliminate all workplace hazards. This is why during your safety orientation session, you'll be introduced to MasterBUILT Hotels Personal Protection Equipment, or PPE, protocol. MasterBUILT Hotels' policy is to have all workers use proper personal protection equipment when and where required. The following personal protection equipment must be worn on any MasterBUILT Hotels worksite upon exiting your vehicle: CSA-approved hard hats, CSA-approved safety glasses, CSA-approved footwear, and high-visibility vests. When working on a MasterBUILT Hotels site, orientation training must be undertaken in order to account for the construction hazards unique to commercial-level sites. MasterBUILT Hotel construction areas are confined sites with a restricted entrance and access point, with each hotel construction having specific posted emergency and site evacuation plans. Upon arriving on MasterBUILT Hotels job site, you will receive a safety orientation specific to the job. Prior to arriving, be sure to contact your site supervisor for information on any PPE requirements unique to the MasterBUILT Hotel construction site you will be traveling to. From the location of first aid supplies and fire extinguishers to emergency contact numbers and location of emergency services, the information provided during this orientation is of the utmost importance for all MasterBUILT Hotel team members. At MasterBUILT Hotels, good health and well-being are as important to maintaining a safe work environment as wearing protective equipment and knowing first aid. As such, please note that MasterBUILT Hotels has zero tolerance towards drug and alcohol on any job site. Impairment of any kind creates a hazardous work environment, and no team member's safety can be compromised. Maintaining awareness and vigilance can feel overwhelming when first stepping onto a construction site. But just remember, there are no gray areas when it comes to safety. You, as a MasterBUILT Hotels employee, are obligated to refuse work whenever safety is compromised. Keep this in mind, and soon enough, the training you've received will become part and parcel of how you conduct yourself on a construction site. Your safety training at MasterBUILT Hotels is a continuous process, with several ways to learn more and reacquaint yourself with our processes and procedures. All health and safety documentation can be found on our electronic reporting program, inside your construction site trailer, and the MasterBUILT Hotels Safety Auditor's office inside MasterBUILT Hotels headquarters. Safety is not a one-time event. It is a daily activity of being aware, checking and correcting unsafe practices, completing the necessary records, hazard assessments, toolbox meetings, and working together to ensure every MasterBUILT Hotels employee and trade we work with go home each night in the same condition they arrived in. Be safe, and remember, production is number one unless quality is compromised. Then quality becomes number one unless safety is compromised. And then safety becomes number one.